Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Right now we are here at Cebu Pacific office because my reporting time is 4 and time check it's 3:10, so I still have like 15 minutes. I'm going to show you our office. So this is where I go report for my main duty, okay? So right now we're going to Terminal 3 because that is where we cabin crew will sign in, okay? So let's go ahead and let's get the ball rolling. Hi Jade, morning. Alright, so we are heading to Terminal 3 and I'm glad that, I'm just living across the office. So if I will go to Terminal 3, we have free shuttle in order for us to proceed to Terminal 3. So we're going to insert our bag for security inspection. Alright, so we just arrived here at Terminal 3, Ninoy Aquino International Airport. So I'm heading now to our office at 2nd floor. This is our trolley area. So right now I'm going to show you our pantry. And this is our portal. So if we want to check our schedule, we can do so. Or we also have our briefing area. if you notice the tables behind me, cabin crew and captain will do a very quick briefing. And then next is I'm going to show you where is our crew rest area. So show you the place so you have an idea. So I have shown you our office. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. See you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please click the bell icon so that you will be notified if I will upload more videos about cabin crew life. Bye!